Eternia Home by Plastic World, urban, elegant and simple. Today we bought a new product, Black & Decker Induction Cooktop. A fusion of cutting-edge technology and sleek design that brings the future of cooking to your kitchen. This cooktop is made of premium quality glass with black glass finish which looks extremely elegant. This multifunctional cooktop features timer and temperature settings. It also features LED display that provides all the relevant information and looks elegant. With highly efficient heating coil, this cooktop proves to be high on utility and low on cost. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel and visit our website www.plasticworld.in. Also visit our store Eternia Home at MG Road, Sikandarabad and Plastic World in Amirpet.